Hi everyone, I'm so glad that you guys have tuned into yet another video. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, I would urge you to subscribe. Anyway, today we're going to talk about something different, something that I haven't touched on in my videos before, and I'm so excited to be sharing this subject with you guys. So stay tuned. I'm going to touch on 3 truths that come with being a hairstylist. One of them is a bit superstitious. I don't know if they're going to be 3 or more, depending on how this video takes me. But most of all, these things have actually made me... These are things that I experienced, and I don't think people talk about them because it's like, that sounds a bit crazy. But I'm going to share them with you guys today, and you can tell me in the comment section if you think it's a bit crazy. And I'm going to start with the craziest of them all. When I started doing hair, I had this thing going on where I would feel like the person whose hair I'm doing was someone I already knew. It was like I would feel like it's someone I had in my past. Sometimes it was someone I actually interacted with, and then other times it was someone who I haven't been with or talked to in like a whole lifetime. What I mean is, I would feel like the person whose hair I'm doing is not the same person I'm doing their hair. It was creepy, and I never told anyone, but I always felt it. But over time, after doing like up to 200 people's heads, I started seeing people for who they are. That's creepy if you ask me, but anyway, that's one of the things that I felt, and I have never shared with anyone about being a hairstylist. Okay, on to my second point. Okay, if you have any comment whatsoever or any like insight about this kind of situation, please share it with me in the comment section below. So the next point I'm going to share with you is something I feel that it's true for most of the minimum wage jobs. So while doing hair, I wasn't charging as much as hair parlor would charge. I was charging up to a quarter of what they charge. Being a hairstylist or being someone who has a minimum wage job does not put you forward because just because you're making extra money. You can decide to invest your money in something else, and that will help you become more financially stable. But the job itself, like any other minimum wage job, does not help you become a rich person, does not help you advance in life. There will always be tiny things, not tiny, actually major. When you have a minimum wage, you can solve small problems like having food for supper, but you cannot solve a problem where you need 7 billion shillings or 7 million shillings for someone who's in hospital. So that's my second truth. Having a minimum wage job will never help you become rich. Hey, if so far you are enjoying this content and you're enjoying this video and you're enjoying my style, please like this video, leave a comment below on commenting on either of the points that I've already mentioned, or adding anything that you have about having a minimum wage job or being a hairstylist. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next point. Thank you. Okay, so my third point is people always see you as a hairstylist. It's not a bad thing. I love the fact that people actually talk about me and refer to me as their hairstylist, and it's beautiful, but it's also imprisoning. Sometimes I need people to see me as the web developer I am. Sometimes I need people to see me as a YouTuber. Sometimes I need people to see me just as a friend. And maybe most of the time I want you guys to just see me as me, CindyKandieYT. And this is a difficulty that comes with being a hairstylist, because people will always see you as, that's the chick who did my hair, that's the girl who does hair. And it's nice in the beginning when people acknowledge your profession and actually help you improve, help you like have make more money and get more clients, but eventually, especially if it's a part-time hustle, and also most of the time you just want people to refer to you and to see you as a human being. Anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like this type of content, kindly comment down below so that I can know if I should make more of this. And anyway, I enjoyed making the video and I enjoy sharing these things with you guys. So if by any chance you have anything to add, and my creepy point, if you think that this is crazy or you actually relate, please share in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel, and liking the video really helps my channel grow. Please do that. Thank you. See you on the next one.